In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose and purchase a new hosting plan using hPanel. Whether you're setting up a personal blog, an e-commerce site, or a portfolio, selecting the right hosting plan is crucial for your website's success. Let's dive in. First, after logging into hPanel, take a look at the left-hand menu, where you'll find a variety of options to manage your account. Here, you'll want to click on the option labeled Websites. This will bring you to a dashboard where you can manage your current websites, or, in this case, look into starting a new project. Notice the top right corner of the page. This is where you'll find the button that says Get New Hosting Plan. With a click, you'll be taken to the Hosting Plan selection page, which offers several types of hosting to suit different needs. Let's explore the options available to you. There's web hosting, often referred to as shared hosting. This is a cost-effective option for smaller websites or hobbies. If you're working specifically with WordPress, you might want to consider WordPress hosting, which is optimized for WordPress sites. For greater robustness and more resources, cloud hosting could be the right pick. And for those who need something highly customizable, VPS hosting might be ideal. Once you've decided which plan is best for your needs, simply click Add to Cart underneath your chosen option. Next, you'll be asked to select how long you'd like to commit to your hosting plan. The choices offered typically range from a short 1-month plan up to a 48-month plan, which often offers the best value. Longer-term commitments usually offer a significant discount, so it's a great way to save money if you plan on having a long-term online presence. Choose what fits you best and then click Continue to proceed. Moving on, it's time to decide how you will handle your domain name. You have a few choices here. You can register a brand new domain with Hostinger, which is great if you're starting from scratch. Alternatively, if you have an existing domain in your Hostinger account, you could select this option to use it with your new hosting plan. If your domain is registered with another provider, there's an option for that too, allowing seamless integration with Hostinger's hosting services. Finally, you'll reach the payment section. Hostinger offers several payment methods such as credit cards and PayPal, but availability might vary depending on your geographical location. Make sure to select your preferred method and complete the purchase by following the on-screen instructions. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to selecting and purchasing a hosting plan through hPanel. With these steps complete, you're well on your way to launching your website successfully. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate